Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am here with an unboxing. Today I am unboxing Battlefield 1 Revolution Edition. Today is Christmas. I did get this game. They had it on sale at GameStop. It comes with base game plus premium pass, including 4 expansion packs and more. Made by DICE, rated M for mature. It's a sealed copy. Complete Battlefield 1 package. Includes Battlefield 1 base game, Battlefield 1 premium pass, Lawrence of Arabia pack, Hellfighter pack, Red Baron pack, new Behemoth visual appearance, and 5 Battlefield 1 battle packs. Epic single player multiplayer battle. Not single player, epic 64 player multiplayer battles, 4 themed expansion packs, dynamic destruction, weather, war stories from around the world. So let's go ahead. I got scissors right here. Gonna go ahead and put this down real quick. Cut right through it. Hold up. Or maybe I don't need the scissors. Alright, put this right here. Alright, we got the paper off. Now we gotta take off this tag. Alright. This tag's a little hard to get off. Alright, here we go, I got it. Okay, so here it is. Got the tag off, so let's go ahead and open it up. I gotta make sure that there's no codes. Oh yeah, what do you know, there's a code right there. Okay. So this is the little paper with the code on the back. Code's right where my thumb is. And then I will also show you guys the disc. Hold on. It's upside down. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. There's the wrapping paper and the sticker and some PS3 games. All my Xbox One games are up there. I don't know if you can see them. I'm installing Advanced Warfare right now. Alright, and that's it for Battlefield 1 Revolution. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time, and goodbye.